So, hello student. Today we are going to discuss another important topic of a cyber law and ethics, that is cyber jurisdiction. In last lecture we are already discussed what is crime, what is cyber crime, what are the categories of a cyber crime. So, the crime which is to be performed, the activity which is to be performed as a crime with the help of electronic gadgets or the smartphones or electronic devices. This is called as cybercrime. The cybercrime involves criminal activities such as fraud, theft, forgery, and defamation, which are subject to the IPC. The cyber law have been created to check the cybercrime that can be categorized as the crime where computer act as a target and the crime using computer as a weapon. The crime where computer act as a target, which specify that a computer is used as a tool to attack other computers such as virus and worm attacks. Okay. Now next one is crimes using computer as a weapon. It specifies that a computer is used as a weapon to commit crimes, criminal activities such as credit card fraud, cyber terrorism, and different criminal activities. The IT Act 2000 consists of 94 sections that are grouped into 13 chapters, and there are different acts which are available, laws which are available, and this addresses issues such as legal recognition for electronic records, legal recognition of digital signature, and secure electronic record, secure digital signature. So these are the things which are related to the cyber jurisdiction. Now we will discuss dealing with cybercrime in various countries. Every country has its own laws for protecting information against unauthorized access attack. Yes, exactly. Different countries had different laws related to the, that might be crime related or that might be any activities related. Okay, so ethical hacking and non-ethical hacking issues. So these are the different laws, different rule we have to follow according to the countries. While performing ethical hacking for the international organization, you must check, this is for the ethical hacker, you must check the laws of the specified nation to ensure that the testing performed is as per the cyber laws of the concerned country. In next we will discuss ethical issues in data and software privacy. Okay, thank you.